You'd use this product after you've double cleansed the skin and prior to applying any serums, moisturizers, or sun creams. One of the key ingredients in Daily Superfoliant is Binchotan Charcoal. The charcoal absorbs the pollutants and then with the addition of water completely rinses them away, so future-proofing your skin. To use Daily Superfoliant, pour half a teaspoon of the powder into the palm of your hand, add plenty of water until you get a nice creamy paste consistency. Massage all over your skin from the forehead, working down the face, over the neck and the chest area, just avoiding the eyes. Then rinse thoroughly with plenty of water. Your skin will feel really clean and it'll feel really super smooth. But the best results you see are the accumulated benefits of using the product on a regular basis to get rid of all of that pollution from your skin.